Good morning, students. I hope everyone are fine, right? So after a lockdown, we are reopening our school. I hope everyone are safe. So please concentrate about your studies also. And this is a online classes and think like it is a offline only because be serious about your studies. You are in a ninth and 10th standard, right? So it is a very important for a PU syllabus. If you studied properly ninth and 10th, then you can click a PU. Otherwise, it's a very difficult. I am telling now only. Okay. If you have a aim to reach a MBBS or also engineering, whatever. Okay. If you want to do a good degree in a very good colleges, then you have to learn properly now only. A ninth and 10th is a very basic foundation for your life. Okay, so if you want to do anything in your life, then is this ninth and 10th is a very important for your life. Okay, so whenever you are constructing the home, no, that the main thing is a basic. Okay, so if the foundation is strong, then you can construct a big building. Otherwise it's a very difficult, right? So for that reason I am telling, so be thorough with the ninth as well as the 10th syllabus, then only you can easily study for the PU, first PU and second PU. After that you can continue. Okay, so now we'll do the revision class. Whatever you learnt in the 8th and ninth, that I am revising now. Okay, so I hope made 10 students already went to some coaching classes and they are studying also, but 9 students not studying, I know. Okay, you are only playing the games and only roaming in market and in city, whatever, in ground. Okay, so please be serious about your studies. For 9th standard student I am telling. Okay, and for 10th also. Okay, now see here, don't think if corona is there and our exam will be cancelled in the future, then it's no need to study. Don't think like that, because now also they are conducting a exams for the SSLC, right? They are taking a 2 days, for 2 days exam, right? So in future there is a no excuse for anyone. For everyone they will conduct the exams. Okay, they don't do repeat again and again the exam cancellation. That is a very, what, it will spoil the education only, right? So for that reason they won't take that type of a decision. They must take exams. So please be serious about your studies. 10th, you are in a 10th, this is a first time you are writing a board exams. So now only start the preparation. Okay, so then it will be a easy. When your exams are coming, then you will be a very happy and you will be a very cool and you will write the exams. Otherwise you are in a hurry only, then you won't write the exam properly. Okay, so you may get a tension in the exams. If you start the preparation now only, then you won't get a tension also, right? So for that reason please be serious about your studies. Okay, whatever, if you have the doubts, then please call and ask your doubts. Don't sit quiet only. Okay, so now we'll begin the revision class. What are the things we studied in the 8th and ninth classes? Okay, what are the things you studied in the 8th and ninth? The first one is the types of a number. What are the types of a numbers? Types of a numbers are natural numbers. Okay, first write here types of a numbers. Types of a numbers. Okay, so the first one is a natural number, that is denoted by capital N. And second thing is the, what is the next number? That is whole number, right? Whole number, that is denoted by capital W. And the third one is integers, that is Z, right? And the fourth one is, what is the fourth thing? Fourth one is the real numbers, denoted by capital R. And in that, again in that we are having another two type of a number. That is, first one is a rational, okay, denoted by capital Q, and irrational, denoted by capital Q bar. And what is the last number? That is complex numbers. Complex number, that is P. Complex number you will study in the PU. Okay, from the PU it will begin. Till that, no, only we'll study the real numbers. Till that we'll study. Okay. So natural numbers start with the 1, 2, 3, so on. And what is the whole numbers? Whole number, the natural number including a 0 is called as the whole number. And integer is nothing but it is start with a 0 and it is including a negative number also, that is plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3. It is also whole numbers only, but we included here negative number also, that is called as the integer. In real numbers we are having a two categories, that is the rational as well as the irrational. Rational means that is denoted by q, and irrational means that is denoted by q bar. And the last one is a complex number, that is denoted by capital C. Okay, and it is the biggest number set. Okay, so this is the smallest number set and this is the biggest number set in the universal. Okay, so this is the bigger set. Okay, so these are the types of numbers, and after that you know the some algebraic entities. What are the algebraic entities? That is right. Remember everyone. You have to think. Okay, what are the algebraic entities? Algebraic identities. First one is algebraic identities are first one. See here, that is a plus b whole square. What is the formula? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Right? And next second one is a minus b whole square. That is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, so these are called as the algebraic identities. Next one, a plus b into a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. Next fourth one, a plus b plus c whole square, that is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2c. Right? And after that, next, yep, okay, that is x plus a into x plus b, that is equal to x square plus here x into a plus b and plus a. Okay, that is the formula. And some more are there. A plus b whole cube, where I have to write. Okay, can I write above? See here, I'll write here. Okay, that is a plus b whole cube, that is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in the bracket a plus b. Okay. Next seventh one is a minus b whole cube, that is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in the bracket a minus b. Okay. So these are the formulas, algebraic identities. These are called as the algebraic identities. Okay. You have to remember all these formulas. Already you studied in the 8th and 9th standard only, right? So that only I am discussing here. Okay, so based on that we solved a example also. Okay, so I don't solve example here. After discussing all the things, I'll give a homework you have to do. Using these formulas you have to solve the problems. Okay, we'll give that as a homework. Now next thing is we discuss with the, that is law of exponents. What are the law of exponents here? Law of exponents. Law of exponents are, first one is a raised to m into a raised to n, a raised to m plus n. Second one, a raised to m divided by a raised to n, that is equal to a raised to m minus n. Right? Next, third one is a raised to m into b raised to m, that is equal to a into b whole raised to m. Fourth one is a raised to m divided by b raised to m, that is equal to a divided by b whole raised to m. Next, fifth one is a to the power m whole to the power n, that is equal to a to the power m into n. Right? So these are the law of exponents. This must you know. Okay. Whenever you are studying the algebraic part, then this must be you know all the things. Law of exponents. Then only you can simplify the problems, right? Otherwise you can't. Okay. What is the meaning of this one? A raised to m into a raised to n means the base is same here. What we called here a raised to m is there. What is the a here? A is the base, right? M is the here power, right? Here a is the base and m is the power. That is the meaning of that one. Here base is same and the power are different. Then you have to add the power. Here also base is same and the power is different, but here division is there. In that you have to do the subtraction. Okay, write the base same only and subtract the powers whenever there a division is there. Then a raised to m and b raised to m. Here base is different but the power is same. Right? The power is same but the base is different. For that reason multiply those two numbers, base numbers, but the power is same only. Nothing will change because the power is same here. Okay? Next here also the base is different but the power is same in a division. In that divide those two bases and power will be a same. Nothing will change here. And see here a raised to m whole raised to n. Already base is there and power is also there. Then again for that whole bracket also power is there. Then we can multiply those two powers. That is a to the power m into n. Okay. So these are the law of exponents. And after that we discussed that is a representation of a rational numbers on the number line. That is for only I think yeah, ninth standard students already learned, but now upcoming ninth standard students didn't learn that things. They will study in the ninth standard only. Okay, so after that, what we have to discuss? Fractions are there. In fractions, there are three categories are there: improper fraction, proper fraction, as well as the mixed fraction. And you know how to take a LCM and how to take a HCF values also. Okay, how to add the fraction. Whenever they're giving a fraction with a different denominators, you have to take the LCM, and after that you have to simplify the problem. Okay, that already we studied. So one more thing I'll tell now. And geometry part also you must know. Okay, the geometry means it is the basic things at least. What is the line? What is the point? Okay, so and what is the wait? What is the square and what is the rectangle? Like that you have to know. And the area of a rectangle and area of a square and area of a circle. Okay, and perimeter of a circle, perimeter of a rectangle, perimeter of a square. That must you know because you are in a ninth and 10th standard. Okay, so now we'll do some problems here. Okay, based on the LCM we see that is 3 by 28 plus 4 by 56. Okay, so here 56 and 28 are the different numbers. So to take the LCM here, this is about only 6th and 7th standard syllabus only. Still I am doing the revision for you. Okay, 28 ones are 22 twos are and 2 ones are. Here, what is the LCM here? 56 only. So 56 is the LCM. Here 2s are and here 1s are. That is 6 plus 4. That is 10 by 56. Like this type of problems you already learned. And after that, now we discuss with the number system only. Okay. So I'll give one set here. I told the natural number is the smallest set. This is a natural number. Okay. And after that, what is that? Whole number set. And next thing is what? Integers. And next thing is what? That is real numbers. In that only rational number and irrational is there. Okay. The last number is what? Complex number. Okay, natural number is the smallest and complex is the biggest set. Okay, this figure already you learnt in the 9th. For 10th and student I told in the first chapter only. Right? I hope everyone remember this figure. Okay, and next I'll give some homework here. Okay, write down everyone. homework. Simplify the following using identities. Identities means what? Using a formulas, algebraic identities, a plus b whole square like that. All those formulas you have to use and simplify the following things. Okay. The first one is 103 square. 103 square. How can you write this one? That is 100 plus 3 whole square. A plus b whole square. You have to apply the formula. Okay. Don't do directly because I told using identities. Okay. Don't multiply 103, 103. I told using identities you have to solve it. Okay. Next thing. 220 whole cube. 220 means you can split as a 200 plus 20. Okay. Next. Third one. Whole square. A plus b plus c whole square formula what I applied. Ninety-nine means 100 minus 1 you can write here. 100 minus 1 whole cube. Okay, like that you can take here. This can be written as 200 minus 1. 200 minus 1 here. Take like that. Okay. Next thing is plus c minus c whole square over and I plus c whole cube also over and a minus c whole cube also not over, right? Yeah, over. And after that a plus b plus c also given. And which one is left here? Which formula? A plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, and a plus b plus c whole square, and a minus b whole cube, a plus b whole cube, and another two formula. A plus, okay, using that formula, right? Okay. So x plus 8 into x plus 7. And the 10th one is okay, do that. This one also directly I given that one. Okay, so these are the formulas here. This is in the form of a plus b whole square only. Directly do this one. Okay, so these 10 problems you have to do based on the using a identity algebra using a algebraic identity. You have to do these 10 problems. This is a homework for you people. I'll check everyone. Okay, so next one more is there. This is the first question. I hope everyone note down these problems. Okay. If you are getting a problem to note down, then at least pause the video and note down every problem and after start the video. Okay. Just pause and note down everyone. Okay. So we'll begin the next question also now. And the second question is I'll give the problems based on the law of exponents. Okay. Simplify the following. Simplify the following. That is the second question. Okay, first one is 3 to the power 8 whole to the power 4, 5 to the power 6 into 7 to the power 6. Third one is 8 to the power 2 into 8 to the power 3. 9 to the power 8 divided by 9 to the power 7. Sixth one 8 to the power 8. Yeah, 9 to the power 8 into 8 to the power 8. Okay. Next sixth one is 3 to the power 6 divided by 3 to the power 7. 5. Yeah. 6 to the power 6 divided by 8 to the power 6. 8 1. 6 to the power 3 whole to the power 2. 9 1. 6 to the power 2 4 to the power 0. This one I didn't told no this one a to the power 0 that is 1. What is the value of this one? Write it yourself. Okay. Next a to the power 3 into a to the power 4. What is written divide on it. Okay. So these are the some problems. I given 10 problems based on the law of exponents. That one do it yourself. Okay. So in the next class we'll start the syllabus. This is the revision class. I discussed the algebraic identities as well as the number system as well as the law of exponents. In even I given a homework based on the algebraic identities as well as the based on the law of exponents. Okay. So this is a homework. Do everyone. Okay. I will check when you come to the school. So stay home and stay hope. We'll see you in the next class. Thank you everyone.